Good evening, friends. Now we will discuss time and work related problems. Time and work related problems are very important. A lot of students get confused here. These are very simple problems. We just need to understand the fundamentals here. I will explain the fundamentals now. You will see these problems which are related to A and B are doing some work in some days. Together, how long does it take, or independently how long do they take, etc. The problems like that. We'll also see problems like two pipes filling a tank. One is filling, one is emptying. How long does it take, etc. Those kinds of problems. Both are of the same fundamentals, same working, same methodology. We just need to understand how to approach these problems. There are some basic fundamentals in these problems. And I'll discuss about these fundamentals first. Let's start very simple. I am able to do some work in 2 days. Let's say, this is my ability. I can do some work in 2 days. What does that mean? That means 2 days I will complete the work, and on each day I can do half of the work. Right? On one day I'll complete half, another day I'll complete another half, and this is first day, this is second day. And we'll finish the work in 2 days. Similarly, let's say I can complete the work in 3 days. That means first day I will complete 1/3, second 1/3, and third day another 1/3. So this is day 1, this is day 2, and this is day 3. Right. So any person, if they are able to do some work in X days, that means daily they can do 1 by X of work. 1 by X of work. Right. It means in 2 days they will complete 2 into 1 by X. 3 days they will complete 3 into 1 by X. Right. If someone is able to complete in 6 days, then daily they will complete 1 by 6. That means in 3 days, 3 into 1 by 6 is half of the work. 3 into 1 by 6. Right? 6 days they take to complete the full work. That means in 3 days they will complete half of the work. Simple, right? This is a very simple concept. When someone is able to do some work in X days, that means daily they will be able to do 1 by X of the work. This is as simple as this. Now, let's say someone is able to, let's say he is able to do in 3 days. B is able to do in 4 days. That means A will take daily 1/3 of work and B will do daily 1/4 of work. Now, if A and B together are working, how long does it take? To solve this, what we'll do? Very simply, let's assume that they together will take X days. They together will take X days. Now, X days, how long is the work? X into 1 by 3 will be done by A. Same X days into 1 by 4. Right, this is A's work. A is doing X in X days, X into 1 by 3. Daily is 1 by 3. In X days, X into 1 by 3. Similarly, B daily 1 by 4. In X days, X into 1 by 4. So, A and B together, X into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. That is X into 12 by 7 by 12. In X days, they will complete X into 7 by 12. This ideally, because they are completing in 7 days, they are completing the work. This ideally, this X into 7 by 12. 7 by 12 should be equal to 1. Right. That means X equals 12 by 7. in 12 by 7 days, they together will complete the work. Simple. Let's take another example. A will do a work in 4 days, make it simple, and B does it in 8 days. So what that means, in X, A will do 1 by 4, X into 1 by 4, plus X into 1 by 8. This ideally should be equal to 1, the complete work. This one will do this part of work, B will do this part of work, together they will complete the work. That means X into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 should be equal to 1. That means X into 2 plus 1 by 8 equals 1. That means X is 8 by 3. In these many days, they will complete together the work. So now can you see this 8 by 3 is equal to 4 into 8 by 4 plus 8, right? 32 by 12. 8 by 3. We'll see this now. Here, when what we are doing, 4 into 8, LCM, 4 into 8, and numerator is 8 plus 4. Okay. So if you want to calculate X, simply X is whatever they are taking. What are the number of days that A and B are independently taking? 4 into 8 by 4 plus 8. Right. If A is taking P days, and B is taking Q days, that means A plus B together will take PQ by P plus Q. You can directly use this formula. You understood how this is coming, right? We'll assume x many days. In x many days, the work will be completed, and x into the productivity of A is 1 by 4. Daily, how much you can do? X into 1 by P in this case. And similarly, x into 1 by 8, because we can do in 8 days. Each day, you will be able to do in 1 by 8 of work. So, A is doing in x by 4 worth of work, and B is doing x by 8 worth of work in x days. Now, this x by 4 plus x by 8 should be equal to 1. So, x equals 4 into 8 by 4 plus 8, that is equal to 8 by 3. This is like this. Similarly, using the same concept, let's now take A, B and C. If A is able to do in P days, B, Q is R. Then in each day, A will do 1 by P, and B will do 1 by Q, and C will do 1 by R. If they take X days to finish the work, then X into 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R should be equal to 1. That means X into QR plus PR plus PQ divided by PQR should be equal to 1. That means X is equal to PQR by PQ plus QR plus PR. Simple. This is the formula. Right. If individually these three are taken, P days, Q days, R days. So this P can PQR could be anything. You can say it 3, 4, 5 or anything like this. Then 3 into 4 into 5 by 3 4 is 12 plus 3 5 is 15 plus 4 5 is 20. Right? So this is how it will work. Now we understood the basic concept, right? Now all problems are around this concept only, around this very basic concept. Let us take one small example. Okay. There are two men A and B. Let us take this problem. Two men A and B. They are completing this work in 8 hours and 12 hours. Okay. And they work in stretches of 1 hour alternatively. Now, how long does it take? A and B. A and B, they are taking 8 hours and 12 hours independently. Right. Now, A will work for 1 hour and B will work for another 1 hour. Then A will work. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Like this. A will work like this, B will work 1 hour, A will work 1 hour, A will, then again A will work, then again B will work, again A will work, again B will work, like this. With this thing, how long does it take for both of them together to finish the work? So, naturally, A will finish 1/8 of the work, B will, in the next hour, will finish 1/12, then 1/8, then 1/12, then 1/8, 1/12, like this, like this, like this. So every 2 hours, it will take 1/8 plus 1/12 worth of hours, right? 1/8 plus 1/12. Agreed? So that means denominator is 24, 3 plus 2, 5/24, right? 5/24 worth of work they'll finish every 2 hours. This happens in every 2 hours. And what is the work that we have? That is 24/24. That is 24/24 equal to 1, right? That is 24/24 is the work. Now, every 2 hours, they will take 5/24. That means 2 hours 5/24, then 4 hours. Next 2 hours, it will become 10/24, like this. Then 15/24 in 6 hours. Then 8 hours, 20/24. Right, in 8 hours, it will become 20/24. 8 hours, it will become 25/24. Then how much is left? 20/24, and A would have finished 4 hours, and B also would have finished another 4 hours. After 8 hours, then 20/24 would have been done. Another 4/24, 4/24 is left. Right? Now, A can do, what is A's capacity? A's capacity is 8 hours. It is 1/8. We have 4/24 means 1/6, right? We have 1/6 work of work. 1/6 work left, but A can do 1/8 only in 1 hour. So 1/6 minus 1/8. This is 12, and then, sorry, this is 24, 1/24 worth of work is left after 9 hours. Right, 1/8. A would have worked 1 more hour. After 9 hours, we are left with 1/24 worth of work. Now, B completes 1/12 in every hour. Every hour, B finishes 1/12. What does this? 1/24. That means B finishes it in another 30 minutes. Right? 1/24 work is left, and B can do 1/12. 1/24 by 1/12, which is 30 minutes. So together they have worked for 8 hours. After that, A4, then A worked for 1 more hour, and then B worked for 30 minutes. So total they are taking 9 hours, 30 minutes. This is the answer. Hope you understood this, right? The concept is the same concept. We have finished 20 by 24 hours, 20 by 24th work of work, and after that 24th of work, 4 by 24 is left, and that is 1 by 6 is left. And of this 1 by 6, A will complete 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 of the work. That is 1 by 8 of the work, and then the work that will be left will be 1 by 24. 1 by 24 is left, and this guy can do 1 by 12. Right. If this guy can do 1 by 12th worth of work in 1 hour. That means for 1 by 24, he needs only 30 minutes. Right. Hope you understood this concept. We'll take up more examples in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.